She from California, she sober like Diet Coke with the Coke diet. She write my face on my stash right. She got chrome on tongue with the black guitar. My niggas roll with the chrome in the head.
Don't make a fucking sound. Hands up.
Cause she a freak. I told her that I'm celibate, ain't fucking about a week. Psych, bitch, I lied, you can ride me to this beat. I hit her in the Benz, we fucking all in the street. She told me to recline, so I had to let back the seat.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
I like it rough and harder than a diamond. He can hit the blunt while he's breaking in behind me. I can make him do what I say like Simon. So soft, but he's built like a
I got my heart right here. I got my scars right here. Bring the cups, baby, I could bring the drink. Bring your body, baby, I could bring you fame. And that's my motherfucking words too. Just let me motherfucking love you. Listen more, I'll give you all.
Look at all you motherfuckers.
She be coming hot just like a heat stroke. I can see you lurking through the peephole. I'm stacking different money type of seat notes. I'm talking seat notes, nigga hit seat notes.
My doctors can't explain my symptoms or my pain, but you are my strange addiction. You are my strange addiction. My strange addiction. My doctors can't explain my symptoms.
So please, 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 let me get what I want. Lord knows it would be the
Thinking about buying land for a farm. Big ass shotgun on my arm. Think about growing beans and corn. Think about moving real. Yeah, you can.
I'm leaving tomorrow.
You don't fight. Your friend fights. She's not here anymore, is she?
I was on 10 when you called back. Had to think twice when you fall back. I hate to be looking, it was alright. I was going to show you, seeing all black. I was on 10 when you called back. Had to think twice when you fall back. I hate to be looking, it was alright.
Time out the fucking penitentiary. She give me the yes. Make her arch her back. She give me the best.
I'm the present and you know here I am, boy. Merry Christmas, here I am, boy. Gonna love you, gonna give you all I can, boy. Merry Christmas, here I am, boy. I'm the present and you know it, boy. And I give you the fire, I keep.
Thinking about buying land for a farm. Big ass shotgun on my arm. Think about growing beans and corn. Think about moving real. Yeah, you can see.
And you say you wanna get in my bins? Well, use me, cause you ain't that average groupie. I seen her dancing, to hell with romance, and she's sweat, wet, got it going like a turbo vet. I'm tired of magazines.
She ain't got no ass, but she a D cup. She got a double shot of Henny in the teacup.
In the bag, it's
Hey ladies, yeah, fuck around like a Mercedes. I need an old big one in the 80s. I need one that ain't got no babies. Hey fellas, hey fellas.
Look at all you motherfuckers.
She said that she OPM. In my cup, pull me up. Come here, bitch, and suck me up. I got Rolex on my wrist. I put powder on your bitch. If that's fuck, you never miss. I want head, don't want no kiss.
For my niggas, they gon' get it crack, crack. Go train gangsters, they gon' get it crack, crackin'. ABK gon' walk a nigga down straight, jacket. Niggas gon' psychotic back this shit, ain't just rap.
With the table popping, fine, 5'9" and I'm jocking, but the girl won't dance. And I pitch me a tent, about to wet my pants. She got body for days, but the girl won't flown it.
You better bark like you want it.
Top in the front.